So the first thing I would do is I would label all my test tubes with either Sharpie or some masking tape. And then from there I will place my tubes in my non-dominant hand to form a V shape. The caps would still be intact, but they don't stay on. I would then flame my loop or needle at a 45-degree angle until it has turned bright red. From there I will take the caps off without touching anything, remembering in what order I took them off so I can put them back on its original tubes. From there I will flame the neck of the tube. I would then dip my loop or needle into the culture tube. Making sure that the needle goes alongside the glass so it can cool off a little. Because if it's too hot, we're gonna kill the culture. From there, we will transfer it into the fresh tube of media, and we want to put it somewhere along here, and then to take it out you will form a zigzag line. And if we're transferring it into a broth, then we would have to tap inside to make sure the culture is in there. From there we will flame the tubes and then place the cap back onto its original tubes. From there we will re-flame the loop or the needle, and we will be done.